is the Ruroc Atlas 3.0 helmet. Now, a lot of people have wanted to see me review this helmet because it's been getting so much positive reviews that everyone's kind of suspicious. So, look at that. That's a very nice silky bag that it came in. And I'm kind of curious myself because this is only the third generation of the helmet that Ruroc has produced, and they're new to the game. They were a snowboarding helmet manufacturer turned motorcycle. So you can see DOT and ECE 2205 certified. I hope that this fits. It's a medium, and we will find out. I'll give you the usual Web Bike World thorough review and tell you the truth. It's very light. Let's confirm this right now. So we've got a medium weighing 3.55 pounds or 1610 grams. Is that? So right away we have a problem. This says 1390 grams plus or minus 50. Interesting.